Greetings, watch lovers. Today we're looking at this Casio W-26. Once again, if you recall from my previous video, this came to me from eBay. Seller said the light button didn't work. We were able to get the light to work, but not only did the light button work, but the mode button completely jammed, and the 1224 button, super hard to press. You can get it to come on, but yeah, that one needs some help as well. The mode button doesn't work at all, so you can't set the time, because when you press the adjust button, you can't move through the different settings, and it's too hard to press the 1224 button to actually advance the settings. So let's open this up once again and see if we can fix those buttons. See that the mode button does align with the leaf, but the pressure doesn't bring it all the way. The mode button is moving a little bit. But not far enough to make contact. And then our 1224 button also is pretty stuck. So we're going to take those out, because what happens is that they're filled in the cavity that they move in and out of, and dirt gets behind it, and you can't press past it, so the dirt has jammed the button. All right, so I can pull the movement out carefully. These small C-clips. That we have to pull off to get the button out. These tend to go flying, so carefully push this clip out with the button. Trying to get some focus on the clip itself. it managed to land on my mat right there. These things are so light, they just fly around. So that's a lucky drop. So now, should be able to push this button out. Let's see what we have in the cavity. All right. And there you go. That is what's causing it not to be able to push it in all the way. So let's clean that out. A needle. It's probably skin cells. It's kind of nasty. I wish I had a tiny vacuum cleaner. Look at all that. That's amazing. Years and years of, what is this? Of wearing this watch. Good grief. Just does not want to come out of there. Okay. That is a load of crap inside this button well. More than I even expected. And I've done this on another watch. And good grief. Get a cleaning wipe to get the rest of that out.
stem coming out there. Alright. The other side of the light. Look at that. Pretty good. Oh, the budge is kind of dirty. So, I'll wipe down. So we got the cleaning wipe out. Sometimes, if you get lucky, you can get some. You can just clean the button on the outside, pushing it out. So this is the other stuck button, the 1224. So I've pushed it out. And as you can see, I can get a little bit of, I mean, you can't see, because it's not, you can see a little bit of dirt and getting off the edge of the button. So sometimes that's enough. And you can clean off the edge of the shaft, push it in. And it's pretty sticky. I might have to pull this one out as well. Push it out. While it's in, trying to clean the stem a little. What's a little bit of showing of the stem. But if the mode button is any indication, then this 1224 button, it's pretty dirty. It's probably just as bad in there. So that one has to be taken out next. Can't even push it. It's pretty sticky. There it goes. Yeah. That one will have to come out next. But let's install the mode button. Test it out first. Get all this crap off the mat. Alright. So.
Let me just do the reverse steps. Actually, this button. Is pretty dirty. So let's clean that a little. All right, looks a little better, I think. Oops, can't grab those too hard. Gentle. Let's put that back in. Okay. Through. Now it goes in and out nice and easy. See how, so look at how smooth and easy it is to brush. Nice. Now the hard part is to get this tiny C-clip back on the latch. Right? Lay it in place. movement back in the watch. And let's see how it works. We should be able to set the time in the watch now. Important, our springs are still in place. So these 3 springs contact the speakers, which are here, in the ground plane, which the speakers are attached to. So this watch has 2 speakers. I believe they each can emit a different tone at the same time, so you can get like a little chorus, a chord effect, a 2-note chord. All right, and let's get this lined up correctly. Let's see how we're doing for twist. Okay, it needs to go up slightly. So we got this button. So we want to move it just a little bit. Oops. That direction. Oh, that would be too much. Down. Is it straight? No. Looking pretty good. All right, let's complete the installation and test the buttons. So you want to get the levers, the button contacts, make sure they go in. All right, looks like it's all the way in. Looks straight.
Cover back on. I don't think there's a gasket. It's okay for now. I can test it by holding the module in with your hand and pressing the buttons, but sometimes the module wants to pop out when you're pressing the buttons. So, getting tired? Come on, screws. Get back. This screw. Stop doing it. I can't see if you can grip on it. It's just a little strap. Doesn't look as good as this screw. Alright, 2 screws is good enough to test. And there we go. Look at that. Right now, we can set our time. 12:17. 24-hour, but it's still iffy though. Which means very hard to push. Alright, let's see if we can hear this. There we go. So let's go back to AM PM. These old modules don't have hold it down to keep it going. And the current time is 12:18. And it is 6:26. That's right. Alright. Here we go.
So we have stopwatch. Timer. So should be able set a time. 1 minute. So that works. An alarm. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.